Well, citizens across the country and right here in West Michigan are upset over the national health care bill, and they're speaking out. Today in downtown Grand Rapids, a group called Tea Party of West Michigan rallied against that bill. Our cameras were there. Boasting a membership of 400 people, Tea Party of West Michigan is a group that formed just this year. Saturday, dozens of people gathering near Calder Plaza in downtown Grand Rapids. They want their voices heard. The issue? Healthcare reform.
Well, it's not a constitutional bill. It's not the federal government's rule or reasoning to start health care for everyone.
Tina DuPont says she feels the country is getting away from the Constitution as our founding fathers set it up. Another organizer of today's event, Hank Wigger-Kovitz, came from the Ludington area for the event. He says part of the group's logic comes from watching the government's track record.
By all means, we're logical. If you look at what the government's doing and what the government's done in the past and running different bills, Medicare, gas chip and everything else, those programs are all going bust, and now they're going to take over all of the medical care. How illogical is that?
The basic framework lawmakers are looking at for health care reform would encourage competition between insurance companies. It calls for setting up a big insurance purchasing pool called an exchange. The government would offer subsidies to make premiums more affordable. Today, President Barack Obama challenged his critics, accusing them of making phony claims against the legislation.
Taken together, the reforms we're seeking will help bring down skyrocketing costs, which will mean real savings for families, businesses, and government. We know what a failure to act would bring. More of the same.
But there's a crowd here that still needs some convincing.
And just the political situation in Washington right now is just not good for America, and that's why we're here.